So I'm going to put the Imagebon M70 to a real world test. The dash cam, that is. It's winter in the UK, it's cold outside, it's raining cats and dogs, there's no sunshine in the sky, and it's one of the worst conditions you can drive in. So I'm gonna put the 1080p dash cam to the test so you can see the quality it produces. Outside of the car, you'll get to see the front view as well as the interior view, because remember I told you in my previous video that it has a 180-degree camera, so you can view what's going on in the car, just like how you're seeing me now, like a selfie video cam, and then you'll see the front view from your windscreen. All right, so I'm heading to Tesco right now and I'm gonna take you shopping with me while you view the quality of the 1080p dash cam on the Imagebon M70. Let's check it out. So folks, I don't have to describe to you what's going on the outside there right now. You can see it's just raining crazy. It's windy, it's cold, it's December, it's the UK, and it's winter, so you know what that comes with. All right, and it's one of the worst conditions you can driving right now, because accidents happen like crazy. In spite of weather like this, people still drive like crazy on the road, man. And if it is one time you want your dash cam to show up for you, it's in a time like this. All right, so the Imagebon M70 is set up and it's ready to go. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. Put it to the test. Let's go. And we're off. Now, the first thing I notice is that at the bottom of the screen, there are 3 bits of important information that have been displayed on this device. And that's because it comes with its own GPS module. So it tells you how fast you are driving. As you can see on the right, the MPH changes to match your speed. Next to that, you will see your exact GPS location, and on the left, there is the time and date. And I think these important information might be required in case of an accident, so that is important for me and I really like that. So what do you think of the quality so far? If you ask me, I would say the buildings are quite sharp, and for a 1080p camera, it's quite crisp. I'm not seeing any distorted images or any distortion in any part of the video. I'm seeing the vehicles on the left, on the right, the buildings are clear, I recognize them. And I'm sure if I slow down enough, you would be able to recognize the license plates or the number on the front of the vehicle. And as we drive along, you will see that. You will look at the signs on the building, you will look at the vehicles in front and see if you can recognize the different license plates being displayed. And as you know, this is not the best of weather condition. As you can see, there's maximum cloud cover, so the place is dark already. Rain is coming and the wiper is just constantly a distraction, with the wipers going back and forth. But in spite of all that, the video quality, in my opinion, is great. So I'm going to let you look at some of the video clips and form your own opinion about this 1080p dash cam on the Imagebon M70. So if you looked at my previous videos when I was reviewing the Car Tablet Pro Max and the 4K dash cam that it claimed to have, this is the same rod that I used to record the footage for the Car Tablet Pro Max. And if you wish, you can go back and compare both the videos and see which one or which quality is better. I mean, also taking into consideration that the weather condition is quite different. It's naturally dark here because it is winter on the Imagebon M70. But if you wish, you can go back and forth and compare various videos. Now I'm approaching Tesco. Can you see the sign on the right at the top of the building? So you've seen clips from the front cam looking through the windscreen, the outside, wide angle 170 degrees viewing, which was great. Now you're looking at the interior camera. The camera has been switched around to 180 degrees, and what you're looking at is the quality of the 1080p cam on the Imagebon M70. And even if I switch the lights on and off, it really makes no difference in terms of the quality. It just goes to show you the video quality of this dash cam is quite sufficient. You are seeing the passenger seat at the front, you are seeing the passenger seats at the back, and even if you look straight across through the back window, you're seeing images, you're seeing vehicles, you're seeing people moving as well. So if you ask me, I think it's quite impressive. And this is what it looks like when the vehicle is moving. In spite of the weather and all the rain on the window, you are still seeing what's going on the outside. So I'm happy with this. Now, in terms of its performance, in my opinion, I would give the Imagebon 1080p dashcam an 8 out of 10. I am impressed with the viewing from the front cam as well as the interior of the car. It's quite clear. You are seeing the buildings, you are seeing the car, and if you're close enough to the vehicles in front of you, you can clearly see the license plate. So compared to some of the other dashcam that claim 4K quality, this one is quite impressive, and I'll definitely recommend it. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe.